Hey guys, I'm Kayla. I'm here to review this MacBook Air in the midnight color. I actually just barely got this recently due to my old Mac. My kids spilled milk on it, so I need to upgrade to something new. I'll be honest with you, I am not the most techie person, so I can't get into the specs and whatnot, but I can tell you what a normal everyday person thinks about this. So like I said, I got that midnight color and I really like it. It's kind of hard to tell in this light, but it actually kind of has just the slightest blue hint to it. So I really like the color. Now this is a 13-inch screen and I feel like it was a really good size. It's not too big, but it's also not hard to read anything. It has a nice touch feature here, so I can unlock with this touch. It was super easy to set up, especially if you already have like iCloud and Apple stuff. You can connect it with your phone. In fact, I didn't have to put in my Wi-Fi password again when I went to new places. It was just already connected to my phone, which was really nice. As you can see, it has really good graphics and whatnot, which I like. The sound quality has been amazing. This also works really quickly, which I love because I actually work from home, so I need a really reliable computer that's really fast, and this has worked great. This has been perfect. It was really easy to customize to the settings that I need. So I am very happy with this purchase. Like I said, we've actually been Mac users for a while. And while I'm not the techiest, I do know that I do love these Macs. They've been very reliable. Our other one lasted, honestly, it was lasting forever. It was going on probably 4 or 5 years and it was running strong until my son dropped milk on it. So overall, I do really like it. Great purchase. I would recommend to almost anyone that a Mac is for them, especially this MacBook Air, especially with how thin and lightweight it is. So highly recommend this.